Tobin Restoration. We got a flood. We're in the basement and we're in Idaho Falls. I'm going to walk you through here. As you can see, we got some standing water on the carpet. We got it going in every single room here in this basement. Coming into where the source of loss is, into this bathroom. We had a float valve get stuck. All the water came for how many hours? We started off with 1.5 inches of water here. Toilet was removed. A lot of the water did go down, but we're going to get the extraction going and set some equipment, some dehues, scrubbers, air movers, and get on with the process. So join us.